Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. The new Poco F2 Pro looks to be an extremely interesting smartphone. It's powered by the Snapdragon 865. It's essentially a rebadged Redmi K30 Pro. And that's not a bad thing at all. So let's dive deep and see why this phone makes a lot of sense. Additionally, I'm going to compare it with the OnePlus 8 and the Mi 10.
Number 1, the build. Unlike its predecessor, the Poco F1, which had rather poor overall build quality, the Poco F2 Pro, like the Redmi K30 Pro, has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 covering the front and back, and also having an aluminum frame. All of this will account to good build quality and give the phone a premium feel. Next, the headphone jack. The OnePlus 8 and the Mi 10 do not have the headphone jack. The F2 Pro not only has one, but also comes with high-res audio. So with a good pair of head and earphones, you can expect great audio quality. The cameras. Poco have gone with the latest Sony IMX686 sensor. It's got 4 rear cameras, the 64 megapixel wide, the 5 megapixel telephoto macro, the 13 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And the selfie is a 20 megapixel motorized pop-up camera. The camera performance will be very good, as the F1 II had good cameras and will definitely beat the OnePlus 8 as it uses last year's Sony IMX586 in comparison. Next, the battery life. The disadvantage the F2 Pro has over the Mi 10 and the OnePlus 8 is that it will come with a regular 60 Hz refresh rate compared to the 90 on the other two. It works in its favor heavily though, with its huge 4700 mAh battery. In terms of endurance, although, the Mi 10 and OnePlus 8 have proved to have good battery life, in a battery loop test, the Redmi K30 Pro comfortably outlasted all the flagships of this year. So expect the Poco F2 Pro to have the similar class-leading battery life as the K30 Pro. A moderate user should easily get 2 days of battery backup on a single charge. Next, the color options. A choice of 4 colors. 1 cyber gray, which will appeal to the more business class. 2, the electric purple, which will appeal to the people who like to own something different. 3rd, phantom white, for the ones who are more into classiness or anything else. Then the neon blue, for the more youthful and modern day crowd. The good news is it's a gaming-centric smartphone. For gaming-centric people, Poco have included Liquid Cool Technology 2.0, which helps keep the phone relatively cool even after extended periods of gaming. Finally, the pricing. Unlike the F1, the F2 Pro won't exactly be cheap, as the base variant costs about 500 euros and the top end goes up to 600 euros. In INR, that would amount to Rs 41,000 and close to 50,000 for the top end. But fortunately, the Indian market is a different equation. I expect the base 6GB RAM 128GB variant to start as low as Rs 34,999, and at that price, for people who don't want to spend about 35k and you're okay with the MIUI skin over Android, the Poco F2 Pro will make for a great alternative over the OnePlus 8, which starts at 42k, and the Mi 10, which starts at a hefty 50k. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon so that you all get notified with the latest and greatest videos the second they are uploaded on YouTube by me. So what else can I say? Wishing all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.